In today's tutorial, we will create the app review dialog to enable customers to rate your app. To display the app review dialog, the user can click on a button, and then as you can see, the app review dialog is displayed on the screen, and now the user can select the amount of stars that they want to assign to the app. 4 stars, and then they can click submit. But the submit button only works on the device and not on the simulator. So this is what we will create in this tutorial. Within your SwiftUI file, in your content view, enter the following: import StoreKit, and then the next thing we need to do is to create a function. We do this after lines 14. Func request review if let scene equals UI application got shared got connected scenes got first as UI window scene. Then, so if that is true, we now want to display our app review dialog SKStoreReviewController dot request review and scene. And now the next thing we need to do is to add a button so that the request review function will be called. Delete lines 13 and then add a button action within the button action. We want to call the method we just created, which is request review. And then our button needs a caption, which is a text element. Leave a review. And then we can just add some styling, a bit of padding, background color, which is blue, foreground color, which is white, corner radius, which is 10. And now I'll just compile it just to see if it's working or not. And I'll just run it now. I'll now click on the leave a review button, and then the app dialog pops up. The app review dialog is shown to the screen. Assign the amount of stars I want to put for the application, for the review. And then on the actual real device, the physical device, the submit button would be enabled. But because we're using a simulator, it's disabled. So that's how you create the app review. It's just a short tutorial. I'll just click on cancel to close it. Thank you for joining us. If you found this tutorial helpful, please comment, like and subscribe. See you next week.